Hey you guys, it's Peter and welcome to my channel. Peter, boom, 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 review stuff. And I'm back in the chair for another dog subscription box unboxing. Say that 5 times fast. Today, we are going to unbox the, oh, there's Tucker. Hello, Tucker. We're gonna unbox the Dapper Dog Box. Goodies for your dapper dog, and this is the what is today? It's May 12th. Today is the May unboxing of the Dapper Dog Box. Are you so excited, Tucker? He said, are there treats in there? Are there treats? Of course there are treats. Should we lower the camera a little bit so everybody can see you get excited about this? Okay. Where's Boo Radley? Boo Radley, do you want treats? Oh, I hear somebody coming up the stairs. Boo Radley. Come here, buddy. We're going to do an unboxing. He said we are. Boo Radley was just downstairs in the basement, and he was eating his dinner. And Tucker just ran down there and left the video because he's like, I know my brother Boo Radley doesn't ever finish his... Oh, Lord. He said he knows. I know. He never finishes his dinner, so there's probably some extra scraps down there. What? You ate it all this time? Good boy. That means you can have treats. He said, okay. Do you guys all talk to your dogs? Okay, there you go, sweetheart. All right, we're going to open the Dapper Dog Box, and we're going to see what is inside. Now, my husband has gone back to work. So he is no longer with us to do review videos. Maybe on the weekends. Okay, let's open this box and see what it has. Oh, I ripped the tape underneath here. Hold on a second. Okay, Tucker is so excited. Oh, my Lord. Now, I have to say, okay, when you compare the Dapper Dog Box to the Bark Box, one of the things that I have noticed is that I love that the Bark Box has like a theme to it, okay? Now, they don't send me these. I pay for these so I can say whatever I want to say about these, okay? Now, I do love the quality of what is in a Dapper Dog Box, but there's literally like, there's not really any theme to it ever. Okay, so we're gonna go down here to the bottom. But I will say this, Tucker, who is the one that plays with toys, he is like so into this box. You guys, I'm gonna put this down here even further. He really does love the toys. So here it is, same card as always. Create memories every month, Dapper Dog Box. And then it says, every month you expect 2 delicious chews or bags of treats, 2 adorable toys, and 1 extra special bandana. Because like the Dapper Dog Box, their thing is like that they have this special bandana thing that they do every month. So, here it is. Here's what you get this month. Tucker, come here, be in the thumbnail. Somebody, come on, Tucker. Somebody be in the thumbnail with me. You, Boo Radley. Okay, so anyway, it's whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Let's see the first things we get. Okay, well, the first thing we get is this bandana. Oh, my God. It's such a pretty bandana. OMG. Tucker, he's very much 90210. He says OMG and LOLs and LOL and LMAO and all that kind of stuff. He paw prints LMAO and all that kind of, don't you? He said yes. He gets straight A's, but he gets in trouble a lot at school because he's always writing notes to his squirrel friends, which, by the way, our squirrel friend that I talked about in my video the other day, he's been eating, we call him Sammy the squirrel. He's been eating off our picnic table. Okay, what side do you want? This is kind of like night out on the town, and this is resort. We're going to go with resort because we could all use a little trip to Florida right now, couldn't we? But that doesn't look like that's going to happen anywhere in the near future. So we're going to just, yeah, resort wear. And there you, he's so sweet. It's resort wear. It's like you're on the beach, and this is kind of your so wrong, but it is so right. Anyway. Do you want to show everybody? Come here. There you go. Oh, look at that. It's so wrong. It's a sarong. Boo Radley, he's like, where are the treats? Hold on a second. He's like, where are the treats? Where are the treats? Okay. So let's get in here. We got 2 toys this month. The first toy we got is this turtle. Now, I have to tell you, I've kind of missed the mark on these toys. Many of these toys are two in one, and many of the toys also have places where you put treats. So, we're going to see if that is the case with this one. No. Okay. Make sure that you get both sides of that stuff out. Okay. There we go. Yes. And this is the first toy, and it's a little turtle. What's his name? You want to name him? Should we call him Tony the Turtle? Tony the Turtle! All of our animals' names are now kind of starting to take on mafia-esque, like mob kind of names. Sammy the Squirrel, and, you know, Tony the Turtle. You get it? We're all into the mafia right now over here, aren't we? You want to play with this? He said, no, I know that there are treats coming up. Okay, now this is kind of fun. So that one didn't really have anything on it. Oh, hold on a second. This is from Pet Lou Dog Toys. Always new, always Pet Lou. Dog toy with a very boring little tag on it. And this one is from Pet Lou too. Always new, always Pet Lou. And he will love this one because this is like a ball. Oh, Lord. And it's, look at this. I think it's a giraffe. You guys, you want to play with it, Boo? Boo Radley doesn't understand toys. He doesn't understand the point of it. He doesn't play with it. But Tucker, he loves toys, don't you? Okay. So this is, what should we call him? The giraffe. Well, Gina. Gina, you know. She's a mafia wife right here. Mom wife, oh my God. Drita. We have to call her, I'm sorry, Tucker. I know you want to call her Gina, but we're going to have to change that name out. We're going to call her Drita. Drita the giraffe. Oh, he went to go get it. Her bark is worse than her bite. I know. Okay, come on up here, Tucker. Come on. He's like, move over. Move over, everybody. Okay. So then we have two different treats here. And the first treats that we're going to go with are, let's see. Now, I have to tell you, like, I have always used the same treats that are like those special meat cut treats or whatever. Like, they love those. But Alex has been using these treats from these boxes, and he cuts them into smaller pieces, and he's like, they love them. And I'm like, they do? Because I think they stink. So anyway, the first one that we're going to do is the pork and cheese strips. Oh, my Lord. With peas and bacon. Me and Tucker go together just like peas and bacon. You do? Is that what Boo Radley says? Boo Radley says, get me out of here. I got gold coins. I'm ready to go on a trip. If you haven't watched my vlog, I used to do voices for all of them. And Boo Radley's voice, he would always say, I'd say, Boo Radley, what are you doing? He'd be like, well, I'm taking the red eye to Texas. You are, Boo Radley? And he would say, yes. He said, I think I'm going to go to a rodeo. I'm going to do a boot scootin' boogie. And then I would say, well, then what are you going to do after that, Boo Radley? And he would say, and then I'm going to go to Hawaii. And I'd say, you are? He'd say, oh, yes, I'm going to fly first class. Don't even worry about it. I'm my own person. You're your own person. Oh, yes, don't even worry about it. I fly first class to Hawaii. You do? And then where are you going to stay? Oh, in a luxury treehouse. A luxury treehouse, Boo Radley, you don't say. He said, oh, don't even worry about it. I'm my own person. Your own person? What are you going to do when you get there? Oh, I don't know. I might snorkel. You might snorkel or eat a pineapple. Don't even worry about it. Well, Boo Radley, how do you afford these trips? They're so expensive. Don't even worry about it. I have gold coins. You have gold coins? Oh, my Lord, where do you keep your gold coins? I keep them on Diagon Alley. Don't even worry about it. Boo Radley, he's quite the adventurer. Okay, so let's try these pork and cheese strips. Okay, we're going to try these and see how they go. Now, Tucker could probably eat a whole one of these. And Boo Radley, here's yours. You can tell the treat right away with Boo Radley. Like, if it's disgusting. Oh, did you eat that already? Oh, my Lord, Tucker. If it's disgusting, Boo Radley won't even try it. He won't even put it in his mouth. Boo, here you go, honey. But he's wanting to try it. But he kind of likes to lick it and see. No, Tucker, leave Boo Radley. Let him eat his treat. He's like, I don't know that I like that. Okay, should we see what's next? Okay, did you like that? Well, you ate that right up, didn't you? The next one is... Boo Radley, are you done with that? Did you eat it? Okay, well, let's give it to Tucker then. Here you go, Tucker. Tucker. Here. Okay. Berry cheesecake recipe. Oh, this looks kind of fun. Soft and chewy, wheat-free. All-natural dog treats baked in the USA with cheese, honey, and blueberries. Oh, my Lord. Did you not eat that? Oh, Boo Radley's looking for it. Poor little guy. Well, I'll give him an extra treat here in a second. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it smells like bad, like sour, cheesecake, like cheesecake that's gone bad. Oh, man, But look, it's cute. They have little bees on them. Oh, my Lord. Here's yours, Tucker. He'll eat his in 2 seconds flat. And Boo Radley, here's yours. He doesn't like that. Boo Radley, you want to try this? No, he doesn't like that at all. Let's see if I give half of this other thing to Boo Radley if he'll eat it. We'll see which one he'll... Tucker, come on now. Let Boo Radley eat. Yeah, Boo Radley likes the pork and cheese strips. But he's going to want to lick on it and play with it for a while and stuff like that. You want another one? There you go, Tucker. Boo Radley, what do you want to just keep it, honey? There you go. See, I think it's okay. But, like, I mean, you could go to the store and you could kind of buy this stuff. Do I think it's worth $39.99? No, not really. In fact, I'm kind of starting to think about, like, maybe canceling my subscription for this. I mean, it's okay. But, like, I think it's $39.99. I don't even know how much it is at this point, but it's expensive, right? And I think, like, it's fun to get every month, you know, and all that kind of stuff, and I love opening it on video, but at this point, I mean, I think it's really expensive for what you get. The Bark Box, okay, our battery died, so we had to go change the battery. But what I was saying was, like, with the Bark Box, even though you don't necessarily, I would say, get a whole, like, better quality toys or food or anything like that, there is kind of a theme to it. So for the human, it's kind of fun to open, you know, and let's just be for real. At the end of the day, I mean, I know Boo Radley has his adventures and all that kind of stuff, but, like, they, like, a treat is a treat, right? And a toy is a toy. So, like, for them, like, they're not really into the whole theme of it, so they don't really care. But for us, we're the ones opening it, and they're about the same price point. So if I had to pick one or the other, I would definitely pick the Bark Box, which will probably be here in 2 or 3 days, so you guys will get to see that one as well. This isn't bad. I mean, these treats are high-end treats. I will say that. And they last a long time. So they're probably like $10, $12 treats. And then the toys are really nice, or the toys are really nice toys too. But, you know, like, at the end of the day, like, unless you have a dog that is, like, a huge, like, neither one of these toys would last, like, with a dog that's gonna, like, chew straight through them, which I know that you can change that on both of these subscription sites. I don't know, I like it. I mean, I'll give it a, I'm underwhelmed anymore with the Dapper Dog Box. I do love the bandana, but I just don't think it's, like, that big of a deal that, I mean, my Gajitty owns a dog kennel, okay? She gives out bandanas every time that they're groomed or, you know, they leave the kennel. So it's not like, it's a little bit of a nicer, you know what? I don't know. Like, I think it's a lot of money for what you get. And I love that the Bark Box puts together a theme. I think it's really, really cute. But anyway, I mean, I still love both of them. I give this one like a 3.5, I think, this time, because I just wasn't that wowed by it. So anyway, let me know what you guys think if you get this. Thank you to my special guests, Boo Radley and Tucker. Boo Radley, are you off on an adventure? He said, don't even worry about it. I am my own person. Anyway, I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.